Hello, welcome back to Learn Lingala. I'm your host, Joel, and today's word of the day is Mbula. 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 So, Mbula. So, let's try and practice. Let's try and say that together. Mbula. Mbula. So, Mbula means two different things when you translate it to English. So, first of all, Mbula means year and it means rain. So year as in the year. So the start of the new year. We are approaching the end of the year. And Mbula as in it is raining heavily. It rains the majority of the time in the UK. So the word Mbula means year and rain in Lingala. So it can be used as both depending on how you put it in a sentence. So for our example here, we say Mbula ezali kobɛeta makasi. Let's try and say that. Mbula ezali kobɛeta makasi lelo. Mbula ezali kobɛeta makasi lelo. Which translates to in English, it is raining heavily today. So I'd use Mbula in the terms of the weather of rain. So Mbula ezali kobɛeta makasi lelo. So let's see how this translates word for word in English. So Mbula, we've already established, this is rain. So Mbula is rain. Ezali, so that means it. Ezali means it is. So this part, ezali. So ezali is like it is or it is happening. Ezali. So in this term, ezali means these two words together. It is. So it is. Kobɛeta really means to beat. So to beat, like to beat the drums or Beats by Dre headphones. So kobɛeta, so we're saying the rain, the way it would translate to in English is say, the rain is hitting today. So do you get me? Kobɛeta means it's to hit. Kobɛeta. You probably heard a lot of people say na kobɛeta yo. You know, people when they say na Lingala to be kito na kobɛeta yo. It's the same beta. So kobɛeta makasi again. Makasi means strong. So strong for makasi. Mubaliwana aza makasi. So makasi means strong. Lelo means today. So this is the same as that part there. So in a sense, so that's how it translates to. Lelo means today. So Mbula is obeta makasi lelo. So it is raining heavily today. So if you've learned something new, please make sure you leave it in the comments. And if the words relate to whatever language you speak in Central or Southern Africa, any Bantu languages, please make sure you let me know in the comments. And thank you again for watching Learn Lingala with me, your host, Joe. Please, people, make sure you follow the platform so the channel can keep growing, to push the growth so I can make more and more videos for you guys. Thank you. Remember, our word of the day today is Mbula. Mbula means rain and year. I didn't even tell you how to say Mbula as in a year. So let's say, Tolingito banda Mbula sika. Tolingito banda Mbula sika, which means we are about to start a brand new year. Tolingito banda Mbula ya sika.